Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mini Cooper. First, make sure your key fob is inside the car, perhaps in your pocket or a cup holder. Next, ensure the gear selector is firmly in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step. Finally, press down on the brake pedal with a good amount of pressure. These initial steps prepare your Mini for ignition. Once those initial steps are complete, you're ready to ignite the engine. If your Mini has a key fob slot, gently insert the fob there. For models with a start/stop button, simply locate it, usually near the steering wheel or center console. With the brake still pressed, give that start/stop button a firm push. Your Mini Cooper should now spring to life, ready for your next adventure. Sometimes, your Mini might not start on the first try. If the engine doesn't turn over, a common culprit is a low or dead car battery. Also, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, as this can prevent ignition. If you encounter persistent issues, always refer to your Mini Cooper owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps. It contains valuable information tailored to your vehicle model. If a simple battery check doesn't resolve the issue, a jump start might be necessary to get your Mini running again. For more complex mechanical problems, or if you're unsure about troubleshooting, it's always best to seek assistance from a qualified mechanic. They can diagnose and fix issues safely. And speaking of keeping things fresh, if your car could use a little pick-me-up, check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.